Okay, the magnet here is off. Turn it on variable here. And there's the screwdriver on there. It's got a variable power on it. And it's got full power on it also. You can hit the full power. And it really grabs it. And okay, we're going to turn the grinding wheel on. That sounds really quiet. Yep. And the hydraulic is on it, and I already have it set so it's step incrementing at the end of the travel of the table. The head is moving in and out. Right now it's going in. I have it set at right here. It's set right here to stop this dial right here. Right now it's set at 6 inches either way. You have over the head truing on this thing, hydraulically operated over the head grinding wheel truing. Got the diamond in it and everything. The other thing is this machine has a magnetic separator on the coolant system on it. This wheel here spinning around here is going to take any grinding filings and dump it in this little tray right here. It's got an oil skimmer thing on it. This is the old magnet power supply. It has a new Walker magnetic power supply on it. Operated by 110 volts on there. Hydraulic pump on it right there. I didn't